Hello and welcome to Donna Amott Leisure. Here we have a BAILEY Adamo 75-4Dl. So this is a 4-berth for travelling, but you do have the option to buy the bed packs for making this into a 6 or 8 berth. So great versatility there. So these Adamos, they come with a television aerial. We've got a solar panel allowing us more flexibility on where to camp. We've also got storage to the rear there. So this is a 2 litre 160 brake horsepower, and all these Adamos are an automatic transmission. So they come fully equipped. They're great long distance runners, and we'll now go into the cab area to have a look what's there. So we've got swivel cabin seats, and we've got the armrests. We're an automatic transmission. We've got inbuilt satellite navigation, and we've got a DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity. We're also fitted there with a colour reversing camera. That's a Dometic. So as with all these models, they come with the integrated travel seat. So we've got one partially put together for you here. You can see the travel seats, the lounge seats convert to travel seats if you wanted to. So this is a really fantastic spacious motorhome. We've got a telescopic table there, and that can be operated electrically as well, and it does actually extend out from a coffee table to a bigger dining table. So this is a 4-berth with 2 drop down beds. So you've got a drop down bed here above the front lounge, and you've got a drop down bed to the second lounge. So it's called the DL because it's got a double lounge layout. So that rear lounge then is really nice and spacious. You've got storage above there, and you've got wardrobes either side, and you can see you've got your reading lamps with USB charging ports. You've also got storage beneath here, and this can be converted into another double bed as well as the front lounge by purchasing the extra bed packs. So it's a 4-berth, but it can transfer into a 6 or 8 berth model. We've got a fantastic kitchen. So we've got a 3 gas hob, an electric hot plate, and a separate oven and grill. You've got a worktop extension there as well, giving you much more space. You've got your controls for your bed for the front and the rear to either side here. You've also got the Truma heating on board, and lots of storage in the kitchen area. You've also got your slimline Thetford fridge freezer. You've got a mirror between here, and then a fantastic modern wet room washroom. Nice modern sink and vanity, and we've got an opening window here as well. So fabulous wash facilities and catering facilities. So a really comfortable lounge to the back here that becomes your bedroom area, and a really spacious front lounge as well, with another option to make this into a bedroom. So plenty of flexibility here with this brand new BAILEY Adamo 75-4Dl.